today I'm going to talk about the Ferrero Nutella Hazelnut spread. So this is 26.5 ounces. It comes in this jar. This is a great spread for toast or pancakes. It has a lot of other uses, but it is heaven in your mouth. So I would definitely try this if you can. It tastes a lot like chocolate to me, and it's very sweet, so be prepared for your taste buds to embrace the sweetness. I like to eat a spoonful from time to time, even without putting anything on it. Some say that's not very healthy because it's so sweet, but I just can't resist. It's like when you want to eat peanut butter on its own. But for me, it's Nutella. It's very thick and creamy. It's a brown color. I first tried it when I was in grade school. I've grown up with Nutella. This was a gift from a friend, this one in particular. My friend knows that I love Nutella, and they know that I'm crazy about it, so they'll often buy me one of these, and I am so grateful. He gave it to me about 3 days ago, but I've bought many over the years, so this is definitely a replacement. It's a very large jar. I know they make bigger ones, and they also make smaller ones. I do not travel with it or carry it on me. They do have snack products as well, but this is just too bulky and big to put in my purse or to carry around. It just fits really well in my kitchen cabinet with my other spreads and jams and cooking supplies. It does contain milk, like hazelnuts, and it also contains soy. So keep that in mind. It's made in Canada. The serving size is 2 tablespoons, and there are 20 servings per container. It's like a 200 calorie per serving. So many recipes that you make, you can use Nutella. Nutella can be used for so many different recipes, including like putting them on fruit, like bananas, or crepes, or waffles. It's great for dessert, great for snack time, great for breakfast. It's not crunchy. There's no like crunchiness to it. It's just a very smooth taste and consistency. It's very easy to use, easy to spread. It lasts quite a while, and it smells really, really good too. It's made from a combination of roasted hazelnuts, skim milk, and cocoa. So it's definitely one of those items that is one of a kind. There are a lot of different chocolate hazelnut spreads out there, but nothing compares to Nutella. I'm sorry, I haven't found anything yet, but this is amazing. Definitely check out this product.